those arms floating there. Get your 0 point. Enjoy it. Good. Nice job. What we're going to do is we got plenty of altitude. Let's do a left turn at 45 degrees. Look clean, turn to the left, 45 degrees. Nice job. All right, let's go right turn 45 degrees. Right turn 45. Look clean, go to the right. Keep leaning to the right. Right turn, right turn, right turn. Keep that right turn going. Looking good. Keep on turning. Nice job. Keep that right turn going. Looking good. All right, let's go straight a little bit that way. Nice. Looking good. All right. Let's start a left turn 45 now. Look lean, go to the left. Left turn 45. Keep going to the left. Left turn 45. Good. A little bit more to the left. You're still going to the right. A little bit more to the left. Long flight here. Let's do left turn 45 again. Left turn 45. We have so much altitude. You're so light. You're kind of floating along here.
Yeah.
All right. Straight on ahead. Looking good. Let's review that landing. Looking good. Feet down, ready to run.
Good job. Woohoo!
About 20 degrees.
Yeah.
And let's get ready for run and flare. So wait till you're about 5 feet off the ground. With your big flare and run. Looking good? Good? All right. Let's get ready to flare and run. Flare and run. Not much of a flare. See how the glider went ahead of you there? So, good. You got in the air finally.